Okay, right across the street there's a Land Shark Bar and Grill Resort. There's the Hard Rock. And here is outside of Resorts. It did have a fire, so everything is repaired now, which is good. So right now we're going to be walking down to the Irish Bar and just seeing all of the boardwalk. Nobody's really out right now. And if you walk outside of Resorts, right at the corner here is Guy Fieri's Chicken Guy. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I am going to go across and just look at the water. Look at the sun setting. We are going up North Carolina Avenue. Today is December 8th, and it's around 52 degrees. Right over here we have the steel pier. It's closed right now because of the winter, but in the summertime it will be open with all the amusement rides. But the big wheel is still open. Very pretty. We love coming here. We love coming here. In August, they have an air show, and we will rent an umbrella and a chair, sit right here on the beach, and watch the show, and it's so much fun. There's all kinds of lifeguards here that really won't let you go past your ankles in the water because it's so crowded. It is totally low tide right now. You can see all the shells in the sand. Here's an old pier. And we're right by Resorts. There's Hard Rock and Ocean.